Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to earn coins while playing, except for waiting in the game called Dazzle, which is absolutely free for the games of iPods. Here's my iPad, and I'm gonna open Dazzle. Then just a little bit. Just press continue. Then, as you can see, I have As you can see, I have 80 coins. As you can see, I have 80 coins. Yes. Then gonna do it 74. So just click the price. So you can see there. And this one. So this you have 1. Then it says here sell gem for 7 coins. When you sell the gem, you earn 7 coins. So when you sell so there, when you sell, you get 92. You get 90. You sell this. How many coins? We sell 10 and 7, so we earn 17. So we get 90 coins.